Okay, this will be an interesting one. I don't know how it's going to work. We'll see how it goes. It's not an easy one to demo with often, especially when it's flat, but this is a bit crumpled, so it should work probably better. Going to leave the contrast. Okay, let's see what we have. We have here a gift bag, and we're interested in the front of it. It's got all these little, if you can just make it out, little stars that sparkle. So we're going to try and bring out the sparkle in some of those. So I'm going to probably put it in on an angle to bring out the sparkle because of the the damage to the paper, but that's all right because it means it's going to reflect a bit better than if it's totally flat. Okay, out it comes. Yeah, that looks really quite nice. I don't like that little bit at the edge, but I think we can't help that. So that looks really starry. Wondering where the centre of the job is going to be. So yeah, we can't help that. I think it's because it's up on the edge like that. So it's at 400%. Wondering where the centre of the job ought to be. That's a tough one. Wondering if we're going to make it a better job or we're going to leave it like that. That's a good question. It's not easy trying to get these to look good. I was actually thinking that would make... Yeah, that's a good question. Wondering if we're going to move this into a different position, maybe move it up and around like so, because it's not in the best position that I'd like it to be, I don't think. I'm going to try and make it a good demo. It's a really nice original. It deserves the best as I can get it. Yeah, that's interesting. I'm just going to get rid of these other ones, put them aside. This still doesn't look as good as I want it to be. I'd like a big star to be near the edge, to be quite honest. Trying to think how I'm going to go about that. I have to use intuition, or we're going to go and just print it. Out it comes. I don't know if it's as good as the first. So I'm wondering where the centre of this job should be. It doesn't look all that good, to be honest, folks. I'm just wondering how it's going to look. Good question, folks. How am I going to make this that doesn't look the best look a whole lot better? Maybe this could be the centre, I'm thinking. Methinks, whatever. Methinks, but don't drink. It doesn't drink. Methinks, no drinks. Okay, silly rhyme. Sorry, folks. Oh, mirror image. I don't think this is going to look too good, folks, to be honest. I could be wrong. Sometimes I am proven wrong when I print something that looks shit, and then when I put it together, it looks brilliant. I don't know if this is going to be one of them. It's not an easy one to work with. Trying to get this pattern to look really something. Stars look really nice. I do love stars. I'm not interested in astrology though. Forget about astrology, I hate it, but I like astronomy. I've never owned a telescope, but I do love stars. And I like these kind of stars too. Actually, that looks quite nice. I think now we could call this demo quits.